Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke with Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese and took stock of progress in bilateral relations and cooperation. The second India-Singapore Ministerial Roundtable is set to start in Singapore to review bilateral ties and various aspects of strategic partnership. The government has termed a link fake that claims to offer financial aid of over 46,000 rupees from the Finance Ministry. The festival of Janmashtami is being celebrated with great enthusiasm and reverence across the country. Paris Paralympics 2024 is all set to begin on the 28th of this month.